Hello islanders and global viewers, welcome back. Today we're making for you Escovitch Fish Jamaican Style. Easter is in the air and this is the subject, fish Escovitch style. Stay with me. Okay guys, here are ingredients that we'll be using to make our Escovitch sauce for fish or fried snapper. So here it is, the pimento, you don't want to forget that, carrots, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, vinegar, and we're using red, gold, and green bell peppers. The bell peppers are optional, okay? Now these veggies are already washed properly. We're just gonna scrape and cut. At this time, we're gonna julienne the carrots. Okay, we're using a reasonably sized carrot because you don't want to use a carrot that is too small. That way you won't be able to julienne it properly. All right, so here we go, scraping this off. Okay guys, julienne actually just means to cut in small equal strips, so that's what we'll be doing with the carrot. Okay, here we go. You want to cut it sideways like this for the length and just fairly thin and consistent. You want to bring these back together like this, full steady shape, and then you slide it down until like that. Just separate it a little bit like that now. Good. Okay guys, there we have it. Nice even strips now. So that's an easy way to julienne your carrots. All right. The bell peppers now. I'm just using about half of each of these, less than half actually, because they are really large. And like I told you, the bell peppers are optional, so don't have to try to use too much of that. Just using it for a bit of color. You know, we like colors. All right. I didn't cut the onion too early because when you're cutting up these seasonings, believe me, once you start cutting that onion, your eyes will water, so I left it for last, okay? Well, I left it for second to last. Last one in will be the pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, for the scotch bonnet, I'm just gonna cut it on a plate so that it can be easily transferable. Holding it by the stem since the stem is still on. Don't need more than one pepper because I'm just doing 2 pounds of fish, guys. can smell this one. It's red hot. Red hot, guys. I can smell it. It's hot. Well, and if you can't manage too much of the pepper, you don't have to use a whole pepper. If you're smelling it and it's so strong already, you can just cut back a little. Like I think I'm gonna do right now. This one smells really strong. I'm gonna leave a piece of this pepper. Let's use the rest of this right here in our sauce. Here we go. This is why I left it on the plate, so I can easily scrape it on into the rest of the ingredients. Oh wow, guys, can you see that? Can you see all those colors? Yes. Getting ready for the stove now. Getting ready for the stove. Onions will just break apart as you put them. They'll just open up once you start stirring them in the oil. Okay, so there we go. Off to our pot now. Ooh la la la. Wow. That's that colorful. Yes, that's it. So, like I told you guys, we have a video up with the fried fish, so you can look at it if you want a little more details, but we're just showing you. You can lightly flour it like this with a spoon. Not too much, because you don't want the oil to be too brown, the flour burning in it. Really nice like that. And that's how we set them off to fry. We're on high heat, and this oil is piping hot because we really do want that kind of crispiness on the fish. So that's what we're going for, guys. Alright? Okay, while these are frying and getting so golden brown and crispy, I'm gonna go off and prepare our pickle now that we're gonna use for the escovitch. Okay guys, here we have about 2 to 4 tablespoons of the same oil that we use to fry the fish. You don't throw it away, you use it to do the seasonings now. So we have about 2 to 4 tablespoons of it here, and we're going to just add our seasoning now. All right, also carrots and we're doing this over medium heat, guys, because we don't want these to burn or overcook, so we just want to put them in and have them gently sauteed around in the oil, and because we want to leave some crunch in it when it's ready. Alright guys, wow, this smells so good already. Here are our pimento berries, not to be omitted or forgotten. Get them in the bottom enough so that you can release those flavors in the oil. Awesome sauce, yes. Oh yes, you want to keep stirring this around, guys. Remember, you want them to still have a bit of crunch when they are ready. I smell that scotch bonnet. Oh my days, it is kicking. This is kicking. Alright. Wow. See, I told you these onions, you don't have to worry about separating them before you get into the pot, because once you stir it around, they will just separate into these lovely rings. That's what you want. Nice rings of onion in here. Yeah, good. Awesome. I'm gonna do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the amount that you are doing in your pot, because like I said, you want to leave some crunch on it. Don't want them to overcook. By no means you want to overcook them. Look at that, look at that. Awesome. Oh, the pepper is cooking. I can tell you that. And the onions in it. Oh. You should be up in my kitchen to smell this stuff. Awesome. Okay guys, now we want to just add about that's a quarter cup of vinegar. That's it. That's what's gonna release all the rest of juices into this sauce. Wow. The moment the vinegar hit the pot, you smell something different happening up in here. Yes, yes. Oh la la la. Just a minute, in a minute. And we're turning off the stove. Cover it and leave it to cool down. Yes, that's it. Have some little pinch of salt at this point. I'm going to add just a little dust of salt. It's to your discretion. A little bit. One last stir. And we are out of here. Wow. Come look at this. Come look at this. Awesome. I'm going to just cover this up and leave the flavors to release, and it cools down, then we serve it up for you. Okay guys, this is cooled down now. As you can see, I can actually be touching the pot. Look at this. Whoa. This need crowd. Call crowd to look at this. As we'll say in Jamaica, this need crowd. And other places will say, tell your friends to pull up. Ready now, we're going to serve this up on our fish because it's a process, guys. There we go. Watch me carefully now. Watch me carefully now. I'm going to just lay some of this nice seasoning at the bottom of the bowl so that when the fish rests on it, rest assured the flavors will be going right through from the bottom. There we go. Hope you are seeing it clearly. Yes. All right. Lay that down. This smells so good, guys. The flavors are kicking. Here we go. Laying down our fish in it. This is sliced red snapper. I went out to Rocky Point to get some fish, but it was so windy. I didn't have any of the whole one, so I have this sliced one, which is fish nonetheless. I can tell you that. All right. Look at that. Good. Then we're gonna put another little layer over the top here. Wow. And this love everything over it. See those onions and the carrots. Yes. Wow. The carrots still have some crunch. Wow, awesome. Put in another little set of fish now on the top. Okay, there we go. And this fish is fried really crisp. When you're doing this, the fish should be crisp. Fried really dry. All right, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Putting on the other portion of it on the top now. See, at first it looked like it was a lot in the pot, but no, it's just enough, guys. It's quite in order. Wow. Look at this. This smells magnificent, guys. It smells awesome. I'm telling you. Take my word for it. I hope you'll be trying out this in the Easter time if you haven't done it before. Let me know where you're watching from at the same time. And if you have done this recipe before, or if you would be trying it out for the holidays, let me know in the comments. Wow, guys, that's it. That's it. Awesome. There we go. Every last drop. That's it. Okay, guys, so for this to really seep through and absorb this fish to really absorb all this flavor, you want to seal it and put it down for, you know, like 12 hours so that all those flavors get right deep into the fish. Right? So we're going to use foil. In days gone by, our foreparents, the original way, would use a kitchen cloth to just wrap right over it. But today I'm using a bit of foil paper, okay? And then I'm gonna just hold it down like this with this pot cover. You see that? Keep it real tight. This is an airtight recipe, and when you leave it there now to soak right in, like for about 12 hours or so, it will be phenomenal. The taste will blow you away. Okay guys, now for the purpose of your presentation, I'm gonna just serve this up for you. Open it back and serve it up for you. Okay guys, so for your benefit, we're gonna make believe that the 12 hours have passed, and we're gonna just serve this up nicely for you. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Tell your friends to pull up. Call crowd, however you like it. Oh yes. Look at that, and smell that flavor. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Awesome. It smells so good. That pepper is just as strong as you like it to be, believe me. It's kicking flavors. It's just saying hot. It's screaming hot, 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 hot. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that, guys? Do you see that? Do you see that? Awesome. Those carrots coming right through, and our onions right there with them. Like I said, the bell peppers are optional, but they do add a beautiful color to it, you know. Escovitch Fish Jamaican Style. Now if you like this video guys, remember to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.